Oh. So we were gonna get a 2-for-1 special today. We got the Emilio Aguinaldo Museum right behind me, and it's also, well, as you can tell, Pride Parade today. We got all the rainbow flags blowing in the wind. Good day for a Pride Day. Okay, so it's day 2 in Cavite City. We didn't have enough time yesterday to go to the Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine, so we're going to do that today. Today, we're going to get it done. But now, we have to say goodbye.
Bye-bye, mangoes.
House is haunted. There's been some very spooky things happening there. And actually, I'm kind of scared to review this footage later because I'm scared that I might see something in the window. There were issues with my tito. He would be mowing the lawn and then the motor would just suddenly take off, and he believed that it was his brother. And then even now, whenever he drives his car up into the driveway, he feels something pulling the car a bit further. He feels the car getting pulled forward. Spooky stuff, and just look at it. It's very creepy looking. Funny thing is, it was offered for us to stay there for one night. Ling, would you have wanted to stay in that house?
Only if you walk in first and I'll shut the door behind you. I'll run away.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the side seat today. Here we go. What's that? Chocolate? May chocolate dito. Chocolate dito. This is the local cotton candy vendor. Look at that. For someone who says cotton candy, he looks miserable.
Kaya pala pinabubuksan eh, sabi, tingnan mo, kakilala ko yan. Sige, sige.
LGBT.
Wala tayong ano ngayon.
They blocked off the road and we asked the guy, why are they blocking off the road? And he said, for the, you know, the, so that means, yeah, so there's a bakla parade. It's a gay pride parade.
LGBT.
Pride parade today. All the bakla, all the baklitas are coming out. Oh. Yeah. Emilio Aguinaldo's tomb is actually right behind here. What a baller. He had his own bowling alley in his house.
You do it to yourself, you do. And that's why it really hurts, cause you do it to yourself, just you. You're no one else, you do it to yourself. You do it to yourself.
But whose arms are that long
Do it to yourself.
They blocked off the entry, but before us, that is the doors leading to the balcony through which the first president of the Philippines, Emilio Aguinaldo, declared independence from Spain. Which one? That's Palawan? Mindanao. Oh yeah, that's it. Davao would be there. Visayas, Luzon. Alright, bigger island.
Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Comarin, to Bicol. Over there, Bicol region.
Did you find any guns? Did you find the armas ni Aguinaldo?
Snap na pwesto.
No. They've already been confiscated. Damn.
Oh, nothing.
This
Nothing inside.
This is where Emilio Aguinaldo stashed his collection of firearms when the Americans came to try to apprehend him.
You don't see nothing.
Yeah, they don't see anything. All the guns would be stashed here. We thought we found the guns, but they already procured them, I think. See, that's where they would have kept those muskets and Armalite shotgun.
Pick boom.
My other question is, makano yan?
Makano yan? Makano yan? Makano yan? Bawal umihi dito.
At bawal tumae.
At bawal tumae. But you can tumae and umihi dyan. So that's the CR where it's not bawal umihi. You're allowed to umihi and tumae for 50 pesos. Umihi, 100 pesos tumae. Oh gosh, I'm funny. This is the resting grounds for the late Emilio Aguinaldo, first president of the Philippines. Beautiful house. Hi. Okay, so as we're leaving the Aguinaldo Shrine, the Pride Parade has just started here in Kawit, Cavite.
Click, clack, bada bing, bada boom. 문을 박 차면 모두 날 바라본 굳이 애써 노력 안 해도 모든 남자들의 코피가 팡팡팡. Boombaya. Yeah, 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 boombaya. Yeah, 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 boombaya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Oppa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This one's pissed. Hoy! Huwag kang umihi dito.
Bating ako. Ihi, 50 pesos. Tae, 100.
That's all good. 3.5 hours from Cavite up through Manila to Quezon City. 3.5 hours to drive 57 kilometers. Manila traffic. Manila frigging traffic is no joke. You know it's bad when Google Maps goes from red to like purple or burgundy. It looks like coagulated blood, that type of color. That is really bad traffic, and that's the traffic we were in for 3.5. Trying to get that mosquito. Hours. So we're tired. But we're home. We're home.